Okay, folks, here I am, sitting down with my cell phone. I take my videos and pictures with my cell phone all the time. Until today, yeah, I found out that my screen is cracked. Not the main one here. This is the main surface here. See, there we go. The good stuff. But what had happened to me was took it out of the package and look at that. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera though. There we go, let's bring that up a little bit more. Oh jeez, eh? Crack right there, close, just spider effect here. Crazy though, but it's kind of a work of art though. But I know this has happened to a lot of you people out there. For me, I just wanted to shoot this video so that the average Joe like myself can actually repair that. And that's repairable, by the way, folks. And with some time and patience, you can get yourself a new one. So this here is the Sony Xperia Z2. And I went on eBay. There is the box, there it is. It just came in the mail. I want to go all fancy or anything. And bought myself, look at that, a brand new, spanking new rear case cover. Whatever you want to call it. Oh, I got damaged a little bit there, but I think it's got a seal on there or something. But yeah. Anyways, I've did a lot of research in Google and where else, YouTube, where this video is going to be being posted after, and it tells you what you need. Right now, you need your broken phone. Get yourself a heat gun. Any heat gun will do. Mine's heavy duty, so it's going to be a heavy duty freaking repair job. And what I don't have right now is a little suction cup sort of deal. I'm going to put a suction cup on the glass, and as we heat it up, you just kind of like pull it off. You got to pry it off, to my understanding. And for me, it's going to be all different types of pries because it's all broken up and everything else. So we're going to have fun. So here we go. How to repair a Sony Xperia Z2 with NDN Joe. Hoo-yah! There we go. Okay. Broken glass. Here's one of those little suction cups here. See, it comes with a ring. Nothing fancy. Really cheap. You can buy it at the dollar store if you have one. Look at these fancy little tools. Now, what I forgot to mention is these tools here come from Mr. Irving Peter Paul. You can check him out too. He's got a YouTube site, YouTube page, all that other good stuff. So he brought some tools over too, since he's really experienced in doing this type of work. But for me, I just did it and I asked. Brought some tools over. Get all kinds of good stuff. So what we're going to do is, my understanding is that we're going to heat this up here. Got to heat up the seal, and then we're going to take that suction cup here, and then we're going to actually just pull it off. I could almost pull it off right now, so I better not try that. With broken glass everywhere. So I'm going to push everything aside here, and then we're going to heat up our gun. Now I'm going to set it on low heat here so I don't freaking burn myself. But what I should do is, before I do this, is actually shut off the phone. Right? Right. Now don't forget to shut off the phone. And if you don't want your information all destroyed and so on and so on, you might as well take out your SD card too. And there it is, the Z2s. Real tiny spots here, see that? And if you want to go further, pop it to the other side there and take out your SIM card. We can get the SIM card going here. SIM cards are sometimes tricky here. I'll get her. If not, I'll just destroy it. One of the two. SIM card. Now we'll heat up the gun. Oh, we got some heat coming up now. Yeah. Heat it up. Get your suction cup. And we're going to see if we can slowly pry. Maybe it's not working. Okay, people, this is going to take some time. Okay.
More heat. Okay.
Yeah.
You could also heat it up as you pull too, right? So get down there right away. You gotta do it. Outtakes. Horse hug. Need a bigger suction cup.
Oh, I can see it. Go.
Stick those things in the shims. Well, I'm ready to people. Watch on YouTube and the power of I don't know, I'm gonna burn Julie though. Just speed up a little bit. That's all. Slide that slim shim around. Should slide. Oh, get it back in there.
Now we are. I'm the average day Joe here, so.
Just as easy as she goes. There you go. Just slide around slowly. Just come, keep going. Don't be shy. Stop doing. Keep going. I'll put a shim in there. Throw a shim in the other side. Just so it won't go back together. There you go. There it should be. Here she goes. Picture this one came out so nice. And what the cake said.
I'll tell you one thing, people, it's like replacing a windshield, but windshield you can kick it out. Unfortunately, we can't kick this out. And that freaking glue is strong. Strong adhesive, probably the same kind of crap they use to freaking put on windshields. I wouldn't doubt it. But it is some sticky. Now, here's a problem I ran into here. Look at that. If you can see that on the inside, there it is right by my thumb. You can see the adhesive on the inside. No, I'm just going to slowly snap that off. There we go. And that's the inside of a Sony Z2.
Now you gotta remove this from the edges.
Looks like we're going to need that sticky stuff too. Okay. Anyways, that's it, people. Blink. Okay, folks. After about 10 minutes of messing around with the adhesives, that's the camera lens there, and there's the flash lens. I peeled that off. I looked at the replacement screen. It already has it on there, so I guess I'm in the clear for that. What I did notice, what I didn't do, was peel off the back and part here. I'm assuming it's an antenna maybe, and I just replaced it right here, right back to where it was. It fits perfectly on the phone, so there's the two connections right there. So if you have a Z2, Sony Z2, remember, I don't think the replacement lens came with it, so I did it myself. Other than that, I'm assuming that there a little cushion. I'm not sure what that is. There's a close up there, and that's what I'm talking about there. So we're going to put this back on the phone itself. That's the broken screen. See? And let's bring over the phone. And by the looks of things, we're going to have fun. Okay, here we go. Stop. Okay, here we go. We're going to peel off this plastic coating here. The seal is already on the outside there, so you can't miss it. It's a close up here, what I just finished doing. I think I have everything done here. And now we're just going to place it back on the phone. I am no professional, people, just the average day Joe. Fits in like a glove. Look at that. And guess what? What's that? Scratch? Oh. Let's check this out. Look at that! It's a brand new freaking cell phone again. But before I move on here, people, I think I gotta do one more thing.
Yeah, you gotta get a little heat to make it.
We got to heat up the seal.
Yeah. Secure it.
Yep. Press, 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 press. And that took me about 25 minutes to do, people. 25 stinking minutes. Plus the 10-day waiting period for the damn freaking replacement screen. But that's normal if you're ordering by snail mail. That's to expected, I guess. A good freaking press here. press. Make sure that glue is freaking working in. Okay, so without that glue, people, then the waterproofness is not there. Just be on the safe side. I'll heat it up one more time. Oops, daisy. And voila, she is done. Power back up. It works. Yeah, slowly booting up because the battery's low. Powered by Android, but look at that. Does not change the performance. Or I should say it does change the performance because with the broken glass it wasn't waterproof. Now she's sealed back up again. She is now waterproof again. Good to go for hopefully another year. So until then, you know, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and all the other good YouTube stuff.
I like it.
And like it. And don't forget, check out Irvin Peter Paul's Backyard Adventures and all the other good stuff he's got on his YouTube channel. Until then, folks, here we go.